Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select viewing and sharing information on your Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Scroll down and tap on this three dots icon in the right side of the screen, and then you should click on the profile and tagging settings. Here, as you can see, there is this viewing and sharing section. So the first one is who can post on your profile. Tap on it, and here you can select your choice, such as friends, your friends on Facebook, or only me. Then it will be automatically saved, so you just need to go back to the previous page by tapping on this button in the upper left corner of the screen. And then the second option is who can see what other post on your profile. Here you have three options: your friends of friends, your friends on Facebook, and don't show to some friends. And here, if you tap on it, you can type in the name of a particular person or people and select them if you want to. So click on the relevant one and then go back to select the third function. Allow others to share your post to their story. You can turn it on and off. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.